If weeds with bunches of white flowers are spreading on your property, then you may have wild carrots. If you have wild carrots growing on your property, don't be tempted to forage for them to eat. Wild carrots can cause irritation. Additionally, these weeds are known to spread quickly and are toxic to livestock animals, so in this video, we'll show you how to identify this weed, how to get rid of it from your property, and how to prevent it from growing back. To shop for the products featured in this video and to learn more about lawn care, click the links in the video's description and get free shipping on your order. The first thing you should do in any pest control plan is identify what exactly you're dealing with. Careless identification can lead to wrong treatment methods, costing you time and money. Wild carrots are biennial weeds. They grow for 2 years, spending the first year as rosettes and the second year growing to flower. After a plant produces seeds, it dies. As a rosette, wild carrots grow long stalks with fern-like leaves. When growing to flower, wild carrots can be 1 to 4 feet tall. The stem grows upright and is covered in coarse hairs. The plant produces white flowers in umbrella-shaped clusters called umbels. The umbels may contain a single purple or pinkish flower in the center, but not always. Unlike carrots grown for consumption, wild carrot taproots are pale white in color. Inspection is the next phase of any good pest control plan. Once you know what to look for, check around your property to confirm the weed's presence or find activity hotspots. Wild carrots are hardy weeds that grow successfully in fields, lawns, pastures, roadsides, and along railroads. They grow best in areas that get full sunlight and soil that is moist and acidic. Look around your property and take notes of where wild carrots are growing or where they can grow. Look for their white flower clusters within the plant's height range of 1 to 4 feet. Look for their rosettes if the plants are young and newly established. If you find short rosettes closer to the ground, the plant is within its first year of growth. Taller plants that have bolted and are producing flowers are within their second year of growth. It is imperative that you control wild carrots before they produce seeds, as they spread rapidly once they've reached maturity. After identifying your weed and inspecting your property, it's time to start treatment. Before starting any treatment, be sure to wear your personal protective equipment or PPE. To eliminate wild carrots from your property, use a selective post-emergent herbicide that's labeled not to injure your property's turf grass. In cool season grasses, we recommend 2,4-diamine. The labeled application rate for this product is 3.16 pints of concentrate per 1 acre. For smaller applications, this breaks down to 1.1 fluid ounces of concentrate applied over 1,000 square feet. In warm season grasses, we recommend Fahrenheit Herbicide. For spot applications, mix 0.2 ounces of product per 1 gallon of water to apply over 1,000 square feet. Keep in mind that when applying Fahrenheit over St. Augustine grass, Bermuda grass, or zoysia grass, temporary stunting or chlorosis may occur. For either of these products, we recommend you mix and apply your herbicide with a handheld pump sprayer and that you use a surfactant like Nanotek to enhance the effectiveness of your treatment. When using Nanotek, just add 1 fluid ounce per 1 gallon of solution. Spot treat any wild carrot plant you've found during your inspection. Use a fan or cone spray pattern to ensure the leaves are fully coated and spray the weed to the point of wet but not runoff. Be sure to spray on calm days when temperatures are not too hot and when speeds are low to minimize drift. When applied properly, affected weeds will yellow and begin to die. A follow-up application may be necessary if signs of recovery are observed, especially if the plant's taproot is still alive. Reapplication intervals with 2,4-diamine range from 21 to 30 days. Reapplication intervals with Fahrenheit range from 4 to 6 weeks. Applications are most effective when the plant is budding before seed production. If the plants are close to producing seeds, you may need to mow the plant to prevent the weed from spreading. The taproot will survive and grow a new plant over the next year, providing another opportunity to apply chemical control. Keep in mind that mechanical removal alone is not recommended, as it is easy to leave even a small part of the taproot in the ground when pulling weeds. As long as a portion of the taproot remains alive, weeds like wild carrots will continue to grow and take resources away from your other plants. Prevention is essential to keeping weeds in check. Even after applying herbicides, the best way to stop weed activity is to ensure it can't happen. One of the best ways to control wild carrots after they've been eliminated from your property and you've achieved control is to mow them down if new plants start to sprout. When mowing lawns, simply mow regularly to the grass's proper mowing height. Removing carrot plants before they can produce seeds will stop them from spreading onto your property. We also recommend promoting the health of your turf to reduce the conducive conditions that allow weeds and disease to take hold. Reduce the shade cast on your lawn by trimming overgrown shrubbery and tree branches. Rake away leaf litter and pick up any debris, and employ a proper watering schedule to provide the local grass with enough water to strengthen its roots, but not so much that will encourage weeds. Many grasses require 1 inch of water every week. Apply the water all at once in the morning so it has time to seep into the ground without evaporating in the sun. With these professional products and tips from Solutions Pest and Lawn, you can stop weeds like wild carrots from taking over your turf, and we offer fast, free shipping to help you get control quickly. Visit our website to get your products today. If you like this how-to guide, please share. And if you're new to our channel, subscribe for more how-to and product videos, and contact us for more tips, tricks, and DIY pest solutions.